Hi everybody, Susan here. Welcome back to our cooking channel. Today we're going to be making some delicious Chinese pork cutlets or just some crumbed pork chops. And let's start cooking. For our quick marinade, we're going to be splashing on some white pepper, a good dash of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, just pepper it on there, and some black pepper. That was a bit too much by mistake. Then we're going to be adding in some cornstarch and a good few dollops of oyster sauce here. There we go. And we're going to smooth things up with a nice big tablespoon of oil. Then just mix everything here. Make sure this marinade is covering all your pork chops. And we'll leave the pork chops there to rest for about 5 minutes. And that should be fine. Then we're going to be getting our container of breadcrumb and cornstarch mix there. And just cover your pork chops as you see here. And we already have our frying pan here with oil. We're going to be shallow frying these pork chops. The oil is already hot. Once the oil is hot, you're going to change the temperature down to low heat. And we're going to slowly fry these pork chops for about 10 to 15 minutes. There we go. Just making sure it's all covered. The cornstarch in the breadcrumbs here really do help the breadcrumbs to stick onto the pork chops instead of falling off in the oil. Okay, now we're going to be frying the first side for about 4 to 5 minutes. And it's about time to turn it. As you can see, it's already changed into a nice golden brown there. There we go. The oil is splattering quite a bit when you turn over these pork chops, so just make sure you're wearing some long clothes and something to protect yourself. Okay. Let this fry for another 3 to 4 minutes. And then we'll turn them over again. It's smelling good. Can't wait to bite into these juicy pork chops. There you go. This is a very simple, easy recipe for those days at work. Or if you're just feeling a little bit lazy. There we go. Just turn them over. As you can see, that big splatter there. Just be careful, guys. Okay. And it's ready. If you have some toweling, make sure to place it on the plate first to absorb the extra oil. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, please give it a good like. Remember to subscribe to be notified of our upcoming videos, or you'll miss out. We really do appreciate all your support, guys, and your comments and suggestions. We really do like hearing from you. This is Susan signing out. Gotcha, gotcha. Till next time.